Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning into your best place for natural hair care. So we're gonna do this really cute and simple back to school hairstyle on Amaya's hair. So these are the things that we're gonna need for this hairstyle. So Amaya is gonna walk us through showing us all the items we're gonna need for this hairstyle. So you're gonna need a hairbrush to brush down her hair, and toothbrush for your edges, and some hair clips to section of her hair. She's so super excited to get her hair done, and some hair bows to accessorize after we're done, and some more accessories to make her hair look cuter. So Amaya's hair has been in this style for like let's say 3 weeks now. I've been lazy around with the newborn, so I've not washed her hair in a while. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take down her hair like so. Ooh, her hair is so dry and dirty, so she has so much product buildups. So I'm just gonna go ahead and co-wash her hair right now, and we'll be right back. Let's take off all those product buildups and put some moisture in her hair. So yeah, stay tuned. So we're back. Her hair is washed, co-washed and clean. So I use the Aussie Miracle Coils silicone-free conditioner to co-wash her hair. So right now I went ahead and applied the Cantu leave-in conditioner on her hair. So I had this, the main choice, it's like a hair growth oil just lying around the house. I bought a long time ago, so I'm just using that to apply it to her scalp and oil her scalp. So right now we're gonna section of her hair like so, ear to ear. That's one section, and put it up in a bun. So the style I want to do is like a two-strand twist, and then do a bantu knot, and then add the accessories onto the hair. So you part the hair into two in the middle, and then you do 3 sections like so. There you go. So we're gonna go ahead now. So right now I'm using this soft and curly from TALIAH WAAJID. This is for children, so it really helps to define your curls and soften the hair and stops frizz. So right now I'm applying that. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the shine and jam onto her edges to really make it shine and smooth. I want to have that clean finish. So I'm just gonna go ahead and the extra, using a brush to just grab all the little hairs, the flyaways, and put them together. There you go. Using this rubber bands, I'm using 2 to really secure the hair down. Get up, stretch my legs. Wash my teeth up, wash my face. So I'm just twisting up the hair, and I'm just gonna bantu knot the hair around itself. So this is a really cute style, and I'm securing the hair again with an extra rubber band to make it stay in place. You know, because they run around a lot, and to make it stay for like 2 weeks. So you have to secure, don't forget to secure the hair again with an extra hairband, rubber band. So I'm just going to repeat the entire process throughout the hair. So just 2-strand twist, and then bantu knot the hair around itself, tucking in her ends. I try to use the Style and Shine from TALIAH WAAJID. Do not try that. I try to mix the two. This is more of a cream base, and this is more jelly like. It's clear. I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys the inside. So I try to mix that up like a cream and a gel, and it flakes. So don't try that. Don't try to mix the two. Even though it made her hair really soft and moisturized, you can see her curls popping up right there. But do not try that, mothers. Do not try to mix the two. It flakes up. So you want to try products in your arm. You try to mix products and see if they blend together before you use them. I didn't do that, and I learned my lessons. So we're done with this section right here. And I'm just gonna use this paper towel to just clean up the extra products that I have on her hair. Like so there you have it. We're finished with the first section, the half. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other section of her hair. She's already looking cute. There you have it. Voila! She's looking all cute and ready for school. So we're just gonna go ahead and do her baby hairs right now. See how cute she is. Yeah. So you want to grab a toothbrush and go ahead and lay those baby hairs down. There she goes, looking all cute. So we're gonna add accessories. So you could buy this from your local beauty supply store. It's about like $2 or maybe $1 online. So I'm just gonna add that to make her hair really pop and take her hair to the next level. She's really loving it. How cute she is. So I went ahead and added those these other accessories at the back. There you go. So cute and beautiful. A simple style that your child could just wear. You could take 20-30 minutes, see the before and the after. She's loving it. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and hit that notification bell.
The same day, so you could have different colors of this hair both like this. And I just dress her up. See how she's sitting.
Alright, loves.
Bye.
Thank you so much for watching, and God bless. Go ahead and watch my other videos. Thank you.